was our 6-foot drop. Taking bets? Cody, got any money on this one?
I think it's good. This was fun. It is. Still running.
All right, we're going into test right now to check the balcony unit.
It's still drawing the right amount of current. Oh my god! It's still...
Run the sweep, run the sweep.
Yeah.
You dropped it off your balcony.
It's right over here on the concrete from upstairs down.
Over here?
It's right here in the building.
Oh, inside.
Wow. Well, thanks, Nate. That was a fun day of product testing, man.